Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll quickly show you how to pay with PayPal on Temu. So guys, PayPal is actually going to be one of the first services that you will actually see when checking out. So let's, for example, add something to our cart and let us actually start checking out. So let us choose, I don't know, let's choose this, for example. Add to the cart, choose the size. Is it the size, right? Oh, it's age. Okay, add to cart. Now go to the cart. And as you can see, guys, express checkout with PayPal. So just press on this button. Right, you can either choose to add some more to get some kind of bonus when checking out, or you can just proceed. Let us just proceed. Oh, we can't actually ship if we don't add more. Okay, and in here, guys, as you can see, you can just choose a way to pay. After that, you will be able to purchase, of course, so you will need to enter this info once, and then you can shop, as you can see, further without any problems. So this is how it's done, guys, very simple. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you soon.